Yeah, hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, today we are talking about something very special that you don't want to miss. You don't want to miss this tutorial. So find it very good to watch to the end so that you don't miss anything. All right, I want you to start making money after this video. All right, before we get to the business of today, I want you to do me one favor. One favor, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell so that you get notified once a new video is uploaded. All right, and also share the video and comment on the video if you like the video. Comment on the comment box any question that you have, and I'll be glad to attend to you as soon as possible. All right guys, this trade, I sent it on our group on Telegram, on our free group. You can join it through the video description. I sent it yesterday, and some took it, some did not took it. Look at that. I did this projection, okay, and look at it. It's playing out. We have come to the first, to the downside, and now we are going up to this upper side. So this is what we are that is what we want to talk today. To talk how to, you see, I took entry a few minutes ago. All right, so we are going to talk about how, why did I enter this trade without fear, without big loss size. I enter without fear. I know it's going to go up. Even if there should be spike, there should be, it should move up to this level before a spike comes. So that is why I'm not afraid of spike right now on this on this trade. Okay, so now, how do we do it? It is called price action, and what we are talking about today is the zones, the support and demand zone, as in this, the supply and the demand zone. All right, now before you do that, you need to learn what is called the top down analysis. First of all, we'll have, I go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and I see this happening here. Look at look at this. Look at this. Okay, let me do this landscape so that we can actually get it right. Let me do a landscape. Okay, now on the landscape we have something like this. We have something like this. This thing has been going down from here. That's, I mean, going down from this region. Okay, if you know what is called level count, you understand what this thing is. But if you don't know what a level count is, you can let me know, so I will do a video on that level count region. Okay, now we have a level, we have this as level 1. Okay, that is level 1 count. We have the second level here. Okay, and now the third level, count is down here, and from here we are seeing this as a peak. We are seeing that level as a peak. So now we are going to be seeing another level upward, like this, level 1, like this, upward, then 2, then now 2 and 3 at that side. So this is the level count. Okay, now if you don't know how to do this, you can let me know, so I will do a video on that. Just give me a comment on that, and I will do a video on how to know your level count. It's very important, so that you know when to expect a reversal, and when not to expect do a reversal. Now we have gotten that here is our third level count. We are not seeing that here is our third level count on the 4-hour time frame. Remember, now there's something happening in this region, this blue line here. If you see here, you are seeing so many rejections here. This is first where we had a level, a demand level. Okay, then the market broke through it and came up to this region, and they not break out of this region. So we are still in downtrend until this is broken out. So you wait until this level is broken out. When you break out, your retail trader is telling you to enter at the breakout. If you are reading books, all these books, they say enter at the breakout. But we that trade the ICT, like the institution, we don't trade the breakout. We don't trade like that. We wait for it to retest a region, and this is region. We are going to wait for it to retest this region. We of course we call this region a demand zone, because we see there's many price cannot break out of this place, and even if it break out of this region, I'm still going to buy at this other level here, which we call our under block. Okay, which will talk at this place here. We are still going to buy at this level down here. If it breaks this blue line, my other buying entry is at this low, the swing low down here. Okay, so if you buy there, where is your safe take profit? It should be somewhere around this level, because we want to see this price come up and move above this price, but we want to take safe trade to exit somewhere here. Okay, or somewhere here. Remember, this is a 4-hour time frame. So let us on this 4-hour time frame, we have seen that it is on the level trying to go up. So let us now check on the lower time frame. We check on the 1 hour to see if that same thing is confirming at this point. At this point also, we are seeing it happening. We have seen that the markets are actually still on that level, on that zone, not breaking out that zone. It's still on that zone. So a buying trend is imminent. A buying movement is imminent. Right. So we are now looking for buys. But at this region, where is our safe take profit in this time frame? Okay, we can take profits as easy as somewhere at this level, because we are having so many other regions here. We don't need to take profit at this region in this time frame, because we have so many levels at this point, which it might react to, it might not react to it, but we want to play safe. So you can take your profits here and be rest assured, or take it that right up to this point, and you'll be rest assured that you know, even though there might be spike along the way, but that should not be a problem. Okay, after all, there's a level break here. This is a structure, and you see that there is a break of structure. Here is the structure, and once this level has been broken, we are expecting that this trade has said that this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend that has already been established. So we are going to buy, and we are waiting for it to come back to this level or the level below to take our final buy. Okay, that's for 1 hour time frame. Now, if you see around here as well, even around this place, let us mark that region. Around that place, we still having another level here. Let us check what that means, and let me zoom out a bit and see what that place is saying. See that at this level here, I want to delete this stuff. It's not going out. It's not going out. It's not going out. It's not going out. All right, let me leave it. Let me just ignore it. Let me just ignore it. Okay, let me check for this level around this area. What do we see here? I told you about level count. We saw this movement down, first level, this one movement down, second level, this one that is going down here. That's why I said that this thing might actually break that zone and come down to this one to make us a third level. But we are not taking chances. We want to enter even because we know that this place is actually a strong level, so we cannot enter that place and hold it, except it break out. We are not exiting this trade. Okay, and you see that we are still in the trade right now. We don't get scared of spike. All right, so it's going up to that red line. That's where my TP should be. Okay, now we have gotten this on this time frame. Let us check on the 5 minutes time frame. This is where we get our very early entry. This is where we get our early entry. Now look at this level here. On the 1 hour time frame, on the 5 minutes time frame, we have seen that the level count is complete here. The first down move and there's a correction, then they move down again, correction, they move down again. That's where we'll take our buy at this level here. We moved up before and that spike came down, but this spike did not exceed this level here. So we are not actually afraid, because if we are still in trade here and we are trying to get to this level here at this point, okay, we are not afraid, because the market will still come up and get to this level. Remember, here is a this is 5 minute time frame. So what happens in this time frame is actually a retracement or a ranging in the higher time frame. So here is our take profit in the higher time frame, but in this time frame, here is our take profit. So you have to be smart enough not to get involved in, because there should be a spikes around this time frame than the higher time frame. Okay, that's very simple and easy way to analyze it. You have to check out your levels, and this is a strong level. Let's check other pair and see what we can see there. Let me check. Let's check boom 500. Boom 500. Okay, you could see here. So I had a trade here. I had a trade here that I posted somewhere here, that I took this trade from this region to this white line with my TP, and as soon as I take profit, it spiked. You could see that as soon as I take profit, it spiked and it's going up. My movement in this trade now is for it to go in the upside. That's my analysis. Look at that. Why did I take that trade? Because I have put this my red line at the zones. Here is the zones. You can see that there are many rejections, and once there is a break of structure, there are many levels around here, but none was able to take out this structure. But at this moment, there is a break of structure. I should take my entry for a sell to this region, or rather put a pending order for a buying trade in that structure level, because I know that price will currently come back to retest that structure. And if it should break out of this structure, this red line, where do you think it's going again? It's going to a level called order block, which is here. So if it should break this red line, it's going down to this my white line, and from there we are going to have a massive buy upside, right? That's very simple and easy way to analyze this thing. So if you don't know about order block, you don't know about structure, then you have to comment on the comment box, and I will be glad to do a video on order block and structure analysis. All right, but if you know how to know your structure, and you know about order block, then you are good to go. This is trading like the bank. We don't trade like the retailers. And these things work even on currency pairs and every other volatility index around. All right, let us do some analysis. Let us check volatility index and see what happens on them. Let's check volatility 75 or thereabouts. 75. Okay, look at this trade, guys. Look at this. What do you think will happen at this region right now? What do you think will happen right here? We are looking for a buys. Buy is what we are looking for in this trade. Buys is what we are looking for in this pair. We want to buy into this market. Want to buy into the market. So buying is our lookout in this pair. Okay, these are candles. If you know about this thing I'm drawing like this, it's candle. And look at what happened here. Around this period, we have something happening in this place. We have a region, a level here. Yeah, I have a level here. Okay, and the market broke out structure here. Look at the structure here. Let me show you with line so that I don't get twisted. Here is the structure. Here is the structure level, and the market has broken out. There's a break of structure around that period. So price came back to our OB, which is the order block. The order block. That is the candle that made that breakout which is somewhere here. So here is your entry, even though there is a little pullback, but here is your perfect entry. And if I entered at this region, you should be in massive profit right now. Let me use a line to do that. Here is your entry point. See that? So what am I talking about? If I say other block, I mean the opposite candle that caused the market to break structure. If you look at this point where you will see that there is a red candle in between here that gave this market strong energy to break out of this structure. So that candle that gave that market strong energy to break structure is what we call other block. Okay, downside here too, you see there's a red candle here that caused this breakout of structure. So we have other block here, we have one here. So if this one fails, then this one should actually hold it back. So that is about that. And we are now expecting this market, this pair to shoot up. Where is your take profit of this market? Where the take profit first? This is your first TP actually. Here's your first take profit, then here's your next take profit. Okay, this is a trading on 1 hour time frame. Let's check what happened on the 4 hour time frame earlier. If you come on 4 hour time frame, we are still seeing the same scenario here, whereby there is that break of structure around here, and market has come back to retest our other block. At this point, we have our other block as one candle, and the market and as one candle. If you look at these points, you see this long red here is our other block. Okay, this long candle, red candle here, is your other block, and you see that the price came back to its price back to it before going upside again. So in the 4 hour time frame, we shall have gotten the sniper entry by taking our trade right at the opening price of the other block. See that? And we are good to go. See that you enter at the opening price or the middle price. So if you enter here, you have to set 2 orders, opening and the middle. So when the middle not come, the opening will activate, and you'll be in a massive profit. So that's very simple, guys. I believe by now you should have gotten a little understanding about price action. I know this is very small, very little, but I just want you to learn one thing or the other today. At least you have gotten one thing. If you have learned anything, just one thing today in this tutorial, give me a comment on the comment box, and I'll be glad to see you on the next video. Bye guys, stay safe, enjoy. There you can see we are still in this trade, and we have made this profit right now in your eyes. We enter this market right now. That you see my entry point. I told you guys my TP is still far distance away. My TP is still far away, so I'm not going to close this thing right now. We are still in a very long trade. All right guys, so ask your question on the comment box, and I will attend to you as soon as possible. All right, that's how we do it. HumbleFx, enjoy.